Delicious. How are you feeling about this game?
I don't know. Some nail button.
Yeah. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Ellie says happy Sunday.
What's up, guys? As you know, we had movie theater and I made tickets, but I didn't get to finish them. And we're gonna keep these forever so we can always do tickets.
Happy Sunday. We're getting ready to walk out the door to go to church. Try and get the bags packed. We're all dressed and ready. Toothbrush, hair combed, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Gonna head out to the church house of God. It's another overcast day. Very overcast, but that's okay. That means it's cooler outside. I think the high is 79 today. It's like 73 right now, which is nice. So I've got a sweater. Also, check out, I'm wearing Meaty House tee. What? We also got our pre-church on, Pastor John Gray's church. What? Oh, and you also saw planning for Vlogmas. What? We just left a very long and delicious lunch at the Outback. Our friend Anthony from Houston was driving through on his way to Lubbock, and so we had lunch with him, and it was such a delight to see him. He's one of our favorite friends. We have a lot of favorite friends, but we love him. And so we left Outback. We sat there for a very long time. Very long time.
Not just because of the good conversation either.
Yeah, the service is just so slow. Anyway, so we left. I mean, that's everywhere in Midland.
It's Midland.
Everywhere.
Where is this Dairy Queen?
It's up here on the left. So we left We left Outback, and I was like craving something sweet. I had a really good keto lunch, ate a nice big fat ribeye. You see it up there on the left?
You do.
Anyway, it's Sunday, and on Sundays we treat ourselves.
Carbs don't count.
Carbs don't count on Sunday. And I wanted a Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So we are getting a Blizzard at Dairy Queen, and then we're going home. And then Darren wants to watch, there's some like football game on or something tonight. I don't know, Texans versus Cowboys or something.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Anyway, so we're gonna go over to my parents because we don't have a TV yet. So we're gonna go to my parents later this evening and watch the football game. And oh my gosh, everybody wanted to come to Dairy Queen today. So that's what's happening. It's been a great day so far. This is mine. Yeah.
Our youngest is back there going.
She can have some of mine when we get home. How are you feeling about this game?
I don't know. Some nail biter.
Are they gonna win?
Yes.
He's speaking it in faith.
The Cowboys gonna win?
Texans versus the Cowboys. They're tied and in overtime.
Not ready, okay?
Tied and in overtime. Darren says Texans are gonna win.
Yeah, everybody says Texas is gonna win, except for Coffee and Beans.
No, they did not get it.
Yeah.
I'm just tired and ready to go to bed. I don't care who wins. Go, 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 go! Do, do! So
Show Poppy. Come here and show Poppy.
Stop me.
Mom, look at
Ellie.
this game.
Come tell Poppy. Tell Poppy what happened. Did Daddy hurt you?
He did.
Papa.
He's popped you on the butt. He popped you on the butt.
He's so nervous. He's so nervous. They're gonna kick it. They're gonna kick it.
Let me have that.
I got it though.
Good. No.
Yeah!
And now Darren can rest well.
Go Texans!
Yeah,
The Cowboys already had the ball.
That's why I couldn't figure out why they didn't do
Go
it
Texans!
3 minutes
19
ago.
to 16. Woo!
They want to get as
JJ
close as
Watt
they can
let me
though,
down,
to
but-
minimize the chance of missing.
No, he didn't.
He's already
I
missed
know
one.
that, but it was on the 20.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
I don't care if they win another game all
Ellie,
year.
Ellie, go Cowboys. Go
You better
Cowboys.
say, go Texans!
Let's go Texans!
Go Cowboys.
Let's go Texans!
Go Cowboys.
Let's go Texans!
Good night, Sister Rock. Take us home.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Every time we leave my mom's house, she always sends us something home with us, and tonight it is an apple for the girls. Delicious! Yeah. Alright guys, we're home. It is 11 o'clock. It's been a long day. It's been a good day. The Texans won! Yay! We're going to bed. We're gonna get these girls in PJs and in bed. Tomorrow is Monday, a new day. Good day. It's been a good day. We've been happy to have this guy home for the weekend. It's been good. It's been good. He's back to work tomorrow, which is very sad. But all right, we're signing off. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click the bell so you get notified when we post our awesome new videos. Sweet. Y'all have a great night, and we'll see you later.